Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you are planning to reinstall Windows or simply want to keep a copy of your installed drivers, you can export them using a built-in Windows command. In this video, I will show you how to export installed drivers in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So let's get started. First, create a folder where you want to save the exported drivers. For example, create a folder name drivers backup on your C drive. Now open the start menu and type here cmd or command prompt. In the search results, click on the command prompt entry to open it. In the command prompt window, enter the following command: PNPUTIL space export driver star and then path of the folder. I will put this one command in this one video description also, so in case you need it you can copy it from there. After typing this one command, press enter on the keyboard. Windows will now export your installed driver packages to the selected folder. Once the process is complete, open the drivers backup folder. To find the exported drivers, you can copy this folder to a USB drive or another safe location and use it later if you need to reinstall your drivers. And that's how you can export installed drivers in Windows 11 and Windows 10 without using third-party software. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to GearUpWindows, and I will see you in the next video.